Now everybody's come out and apologized. What is the use of apologizing now? But then what is now they've called for meetings. They will take a decision. 6 months later, we are back again with the same old problem. And this is not something new. This has been going on for so many years. It's happening because of political interference. Here also, now look, the drivers were arrested and released. It's become a joke. Now gradually everything will be silenced and quiet, and then for a few months things will go on okay, and then again they'll create this problem. Ships tourists are landing at all the places in the country, but there's no problem. Why is it only in Goa? It is because we have no political will to solve these problems, and we are playing politics every way. And at what cost? It's spoiled our image here in Goa. We are after the COVID, we have suffered so much. Now ships have just started coming, and now you start assaulting the people. Why are these people to be blamed? Why should they suffer when they pay so much for a holiday? This problem is happening at the airport. It's happening at the hotels and at the cruise terminal. We have had complaints that they have been overcharging and fleecing the guest.
सांभाळून त्या कम्युनिटीकडे पोलीस लॉ त्याच्यामध्ये तुमचे सहकारी